All right, so in this video, we are going to talk about labeling plates, and you are going to get a total of 4 whole plates. And then you're also going to be using, just for one day, we're going to use a half plate. So anything we do on our plates is going to be kind of small and light. But I will, in the video, I'm probably going to go kind of dark so that you can see it from whatever part of the room you're in. So with the 4 plates, I have them all stacked up. And I'm going to start by taking this half plate, and I'm just going to lightly draw a line down the center. Okay? And you will do this on all 4 plates. So you're also, on all 4 plates, you are going to write your first name, your last name. It would probably be a good idea to also write your period number there, but I'm going to trust that you'll do that on your own. So there's my half plate, or my line drawn down the middle. I've got first name on the front. I'm going to write first name on the back. You can see I'm doing this right along the edge right here, and it's pretty visible. It should not be gigantic, but it should be visible. So there's my first plate, second plate. I'm going to do the same thing by just drawing a line down the center, and again, first name, last name, front and back. We'll move on to the next plate. I'm not taking time to write my name just because for the sake of the video and the length of the video. All right, plate number 3, first name, last name, front and back, and then the last plate. All right, again, 4th plate, front and back, got our name on it. Okay, so this is where it would be a good place to stop the video and make sure you get to that point where you have all 4 of these done. All right, once you have that done, you are then going to start labeling these. And I usually start with my yellow and green. So we're going to go ahead and label them. And on the front side with the line, on one side I'm going to put a Y. Now I'm going to make a gigantic Y for the sake of the video so you can see it. But you'll want to make yours kind of small like this. Okay? So this is what I'm doing for the video. This is what you should be doing for yours. One side says Y, one side says G. We're going to paint this half yellow and this half green. Once you get that done, you will flip it over, and on the back side you are going to write Y-G in small letters, not big, okay, not like I did, but small. And the whole back side of this is going to be yellowish green, kind of a lime green. All right, so once you get plate number 1 done, it is now labeled. We are going to take this plate and we are going to put it on the back side of the pile or the bottom of the pile. We are then going to label the next one, which is going to be blue-green, so B-G, and then we are going to have B-V for blue-violet. Okay, B-G on the left, B-V on the right. On the back side, you're going to put a B, because this entire back side is going to be blue. When you are done with this, it now goes on the bottom of the pile, and we'll move on to plate number 3. So plate number 3 is going to be red on one side of the half, V on the other side of the half. And then on the back side, we will flip it over, and it's going to be R-V. So the whole thing on the back is going to be painted a reddish violet color. Plate number 3 is now going on the bottom, and we are going to finish this up with the next plate. This is going to be our reddish orange color, so I'm going to put R-O on one side. And then on this is yellowish orange, so it is Y-O. All right, and when you are done with that, we will move to the back side for our last one, and we're going to put an O for orange, because this entire back side is going to be painted orange. All right, when you're done with these, all right, you are ready to move on to the painting process and the next video. Again, you'll want to make sure, this is so important because we're going to be painting over our name And we want to make sure we have it at least 2 spots: first name, last name, and period number on front and back of each plate. And that will end that video.